What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Minecraft episode. Today I will be upgrading or decorating the villager breeder. And there's a villager right next to me. So, off camera, I guess camera. I did build this wall around it. And then I'm gonna get, rid of the trapdoors. Get in there. So it looks a lot better. Because when things look bad, we don't want things that look bad in our world. Well, my world, I guess. There we go. That's easier to get up now instead of jumping. But yeah, so I guess we'll get. Wait, where did I? Oh, because I wanted to place it over here. And torch. Placing torches so zombies don't spawn around here. Because then, even though they can't jump over the wall or get over the wall, we don't want the zombies spawning in the villager breeder and killing all my villagers. Because then, that would be super bad. And we don't want that. We don't like super bad. Okay, there's already a torch back there from in the last episode that I did. Okay, make sure there's no villagers around to sneak through. And yeah, so let's start getting rid of these trapdoors. I hate mining trapdoors. Oh, why do they take so long even with a stone axe? Dude, this is so annoying. Why did I place these trapdoors here? I don't know why I'm mining so far away, from them. And who wants to see a cool transition in 3, 2, 1. And boom! Most of the trapdoors are gone, not all of them, but was that a cool transition? So let's get this done and over with. These last couple trapdoors. The reason I did that transition is because I didn't want to make you guys wait for so long. A zombie can get in here. There we go. I didn't want to make you guys wait and then it would be a boring video. We don't want boring videos. And why is this man sleeping in the day? What in the world, bro? Okay, so there's the trapdoors gone. That was over a stack of trapdoors. Okay, so now, I guess it looks a lot better. So I guess we can go upgrade the sheep farm. Guess we could do that. I'm too lazy to go find in mine tree. I'm just gonna take this. I'll fix it. I promise I will fix it, guys. I don't want my village to look ugly, but I promise I will fix it. Why is there sea stuff in that, bruh? Dang, that's crazy. And my axe broke. Well, I got 14. That hopefully should be enough to make some sticks and then some fences. Let's see, 33. Okay, I like that. That's a good amount. Did I take that crafting table? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I guess the crafting table's over here now. Guys, I'm gonna do another cool transition. I'm gonna look up, I'm gonna look down, and I'm gonna be at my house. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And boom! I told you guys it would. It works every time. So, I'm gonna place some more since I have a ton of it from mining out all the stuff for the villager breeder. That took so long to do, guys. Why am I placing dirt right here? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so stupid sometimes, guys. Okay. I'm doing this before I break it so the sheepies don't escape, because that would be bad. We don't want the sheeps to escape. And I ran out of fences. I guess I could place the dirt right here instead of over there. And I forgot I don't have an axe, so this might take a little bit. Oh dude, look, our sheep grew up, our other sheep. And if you guys haven't watched any of the other episodes, which you probably should go watch the other episodes, I built this sheep, aka wool farm, so I could get more beds to make more baby villagers. No sheep. Nope. Nope. We lost the sheep, guys. Oh, he went back in. No way. Dang. I feel like I should just skip this part for you guys because this is so boring. But I don't know. Do I want to? Or do I mean, I'm almost done. Dude, this sheep is shoving his face into me. Oh my gosh, dude. Mining wood without an axe is so annoying. It takes too long. We need an end update in Minecraft. I don't know why I just went from it being so slow to an end update. Don't know why I said that, but I feel like there should be an end update. Pretty sure a lot of people think there should be, and that's one problem with this game, is that hasn't been an end update since the actual end update. Like when they added it, added the end. Since then, there hasn't been an end update, and there needs to be one. Okay, well, I feel like I can get this wheat. Don't just crush my plants, yay. And then I'll breed the sheep to make more. And that's pretty much what I'll do for this episode, and I'll probably film the next episode tomorrow night. And yeah, so, I just, oops. Okay, I can breed 2 sheep and that's it. And boom. And maybe we can make the baby sheep grow up, please. 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 Nah, alrighty. Well, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Oh wow, this episode was pretty short, 8 minutes. Peace. Bees plays out. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. Trying to hit 75 before September. Peace.